Good morning, everyone, and happy Throwback Thursday. Mr. Junie is dressed up like he is living in the 90s, one of his favorite decades. I have a colorful shirt, I have a super cool printed button up, and I have my hat backwards. How are you going to dress up for Throwback Thursday today? If you need help, definitely ask your families. You can use Google, you can use Pinterest to get some ideas. And remember to share these pictures with us on Facebook. If you post a picture of yourself dressed up in your costume before 12 p.m., we get some spirit points. We get 15 spirit points for every picture you share on Facebook. But you have to post it before 12 p.m. and also tag Miss Nguyen. Her name is Teresa Nguyen on Facebook. So make sure you share your Throwback Thursdays with us on the Kinder Facebook page. All right? Now, today is Thursday the Star, May 21st, 2020. And it is time for math meeting. Let's play our game of this or that. Now, in my story, I was at the grocery store and I wanted to buy a salad. I was eating so much candy, so Mr. Junie decided I had to make a healthy choice and eat something a little bit more better for my body. Okay? So I wanted to get a salad. The salad had cheese on it. It had some little bacon bits, just a couple of bacon bits, and lots of green leaves, okay? And when I was looking at the price tag, it was on sale. So that means the price was less, and it was only 5 cents. For a salad this big, only 5 cents. So I had to get it. Now, I was looking at my coin purse, and I saw these 2 coins. Now I need to find the coin that is worth 5 cents. So is it this coin? Is this coin 5 cents? Or is this coin 5 cents? Point to the coin that is worth 5 cents. Is it this one? What's the name of this coin? This coin is a quarter. And what's the value of a quarter? The value is 25 cents. Ugh, I don't need this then. This is too much. I'm like giving my money away. So I don't need this coin. How about the name of this coin? What coin is this? It's a nickel. And what's the value of a nickel? It's worth 5 cents. Oh, so this coin is worth 5 cents. So I need a nickel to go buy my salad. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. So I have to choose this coin. Nice job. Go ahead and kiss your brain 2 times. 1, 2. And let's play a game of Hotspot. For Hotspot today, it's fluency level 18. You have to add 1 or minus 1. You have to add 0 or take away 0 from a number, or you have to take the same number from itself. All right? So let's start with adding 0 to a number. Here are some flashcards. What's 9 plus 0? The answer is 9. What's 8 plus 0? The answer is 8. How about 7 plus 0? What's the answer? It's 7. Now, if we add 0 to a number, what do you notice? What do you notice that happens? Remember, if you add 0 to a number, the number stays the same because 0 represents nothing. So if you're adding nothing to a number, the number stays the same, right? What if we take away 0 from a number? What's 8 minus 0? It's 8. How about 9 minus 0? The answer is 9. How about 7 minus 0? The answer is 7. What do you notice about the answer when you take away 0 from a number? What do you notice? The number stays the same. It doesn't change. 0, we know represents nothing. So if you take away nothing from a number, let's say you have 7 cookies and you take away nothing, you're still left with 7. So if you take away 0, the number stays the same, right? Let's add 1 to a number. What's 5 plus 1? The answer is 6. What's 7 plus 1? The answer is 8. What about 8 plus 1? The answer is 9. What do you notice when you add 1 to a number, like 8 plus 1? The number gets bigger. Yeah. 9 is bigger than 8. How much bigger is 9? It's bigger just by 1. So every time you're adding 1, the number gets bigger by 1. All right? It's the next number when you're counting. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count on 9. And that's the strategy that we should be using to solve these kinds of problems. Counting on from the smaller number or the bigger number. The bigger number. Just like in 9 plus 1. Which number is the bigger number? It's 9. So we could put 9 in our brain. That's the bigger number. And then how many more are we adding? We're just adding 1 more. So let's count on from the bigger number. 9, 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. We just counted on from the bigger number. Let's take away 1 from a number. What's 7 minus 1? The answer is 6. How about 9 minus 1? The answer is 8. How about 10 minus 1? The answer is 9. What do you notice when we take away 1 from a number? Does the number get bigger or does the number get smaller? The number gets smaller because we're taking things away. How much smaller? It's just one less. So if you have 10 cookies and you eat one of those cookies, you take them away, you're left with 1 less, which is 9. You can also use your brain to solve this. You can take the bigger number. Which one is the bigger number? 10. So put it in your brain. And since I see the minus sign, do you think we're going to count up or count down? We're going to count down. We're going to count down 1 time. So in your brain, there's 10. And we're going to count down 1 time. So 10, 11, that's counting up. 10, count down, 10, 9. So what's 10 minus 1? It's 9. All right, friends, so when you see the minus sign, make sure to count down from the bigger number. All right, last but not least, let's take away a number from itself. So what's 10 minus 10? The answer is 0. What's 6 minus 6? The answer is 0. How about 8 minus 8? The answer is 0. What do you notice when you subtract a number from itself? The answer is always 0. If you have 6 cookies in your hand and then you eat 6 cookies, that means you eat all of them. How many do you have in your hand still? You have 0. You have nada, nothing. What if you have 100 minus 100? 0. How about 57 minus 57? The answer is still 0. So when you take a number from itself, if you take away the same number from itself, the answer is always 0. All right, friends? Please, please, please practice this level if you haven't passed it yet. These are one of the more tricky ones, but if you pass this, you are one step closer to being first grade ready for math, right? Cool. Make sure you practice as much as you can if you have not passed this level. And families, if you're wondering if your child has not passed this level, you can go into the family-friendly math fluency doc. And if you don't know where it is, just contact Mr. Junie and I will tag you in the Facebook post, and then I'll share it with you. Cool. Go ahead and kiss your brain 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Math meeting is over. Let's get started on our daily math activity. Come on.